I'm Joshua Bardwell, and you're going to learn something today. I know you guys are dying to know more about the Runcam 5 and how it stacks up against the Foxeer Box 2 and the old standby, the Hero5 session. So while I am working on the full Runcam 5 review video, here's a quick sample flight showcasing these cameras. These videos were all shot in 1080-60, and each camera has their equivalent of Super View turned on. Only the GoPro is doing real Super View because GoPro has patented it. But the Box 2 and the Runcam both have something like Super View, so I turned it on. I'm also showing you the Hero5 session twice. The left-hand one is flat mode. And if you think it looks like crap, that's because you're never actually supposed to watch flat footage. It's specifically designed to be very, very good for color grading. So the Hero5 session footage on the right is my attempt to color grade. I am not an expert color grader, but it should give you some idea of what you can do with that flat footage. And you might ask, well, what about GoPro color? What about the automatic color exposure thing that GoPro spits out? I forgot to turn that on. I always shoot in flat. So this is what you're going to get. Enjoy.